won the competition to come here on the track day. I've really enjoyed it so far. Driven the Ferrari and the Aston. Looking forward to the Ambo and the Atom.
I'm here today through TradePoint for this experience, this driving experience. Having a great day so far. The Ferrari by far is the best car that I've driven. The Atom was an excellent, awesome experience, and just the Lamborghini to go. So yeah, having a great day.
I'm Liam.
I'm Ian.
We're for
Haydenvale Interiors Limited, which is our company. We shop at TradePoint in Halzowen, which is Midlands Way.
So we've come along here today, and we've driven a couple of cars already. Been driven around in the Atom, I have, and the Lamborghini. The Atom was pretty awesome, pretty fast, pretty scary. Well, not scary, but it was pretty fast. And the Lamborghini was brilliant.
Cool.
A couple of 3 laps in that. Just wanted to carry on going with it.